everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are not new to my channel, you guys already know that I absolutely love the Marmot collection. I have several Marmot bags. I have recently purchased a Marmot bag, and so I'm going to go ahead and show it to you guys and just give you guys my thoughts and just give you guys an overall review on this bag. There aren't many reviews on this particular color of this bag. Before I go ahead and get into everything, if you do like these type of videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, go ahead and leave a like and a comment as well, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it, all right? Okay, guys, so here is my latest Marmot bag purchase, and I purchased this bag directly from Gucci.com, and as you see, this is the pink color. I will put the exact color on the screen for you guys, and I've been wearing this bag like crazy, okay? This has been the bag that I've been wearing the most for the past month and a half, and I absolutely love it. So if you're familiar with the Marmots, you pretty much know they all pretty much look the same. This does have the silver hardware, which is gorgeous. The inside of the pink one does have your typical microfiber lining, and of course you have to be careful with it because it can get dirty. And you do have a pocket right here. You can put like a little small card holder or, you know, a few things in there. And that's pretty much it. So again, you guys know how this bag pretty much looks. And the leather on this bag is super soft. Again, if you're familiar with the Marmots, you know that the leather on it is really nice and soft. It's really high quality leather. So, you know, that's also good. This is an absolutely gorgeous bag. And of course, you do have your adjustable strap right there to adjust it to your liking. So I've shown you guys what can fit in this bag, so let me go ahead and get into my pros and cons of this bag. All right, it can fit your everyday essentials plus a little bit more, so that's definitely a pro. And this particular pink color can go with a lot of things. I know when I first got it, I was saying that I wasn't going to wear it until spring and summer, but I found out that you can wear it with black, and you can really just wear it with a lot of different things now. So that's why I've been wearing it so much. So it can go with a lot of things. I don't see a lot of people with this pink bag, so if you are someone who has an issue with, you know, seeing a lot of people with the same bag or whatever, that doesn't bother me. You're not going to see a whole lot of people with the pink Marmot. I don't think I've seen anyone in person with this bag, but then again, I don't go a lot of places right now anyway. But, you know, it's not something that you see often. And the con that I have for this bag is that I have gotten some color transfer, okay? So if you can't see that here, then I will insert another video for you to see it. But if you can see it, you can see it's a little lightish gray here. I did go out in the rain with this bag, and then that's when I noticed the color transfer after that. I had been wearing this bag for weeks before that, and you know, I had never had the color transfer. So there are some ways that you can remove color transfer. I have seen a few videos of people showing how they remove the color transfer for their bag. I'm not sure I'm going to go about removing the color transfer that way, but I am going to look to see about getting that removed, especially before it gets any worse, because right now it's fairly light. It doesn't look too bad, but it can get worse over time. So I would say that's pretty much my only con about this bag, is the fact that it is a lighter color, so you do risk the chance of getting color transfer. But yeah, I don't have any other complaints about this bag besides the color transfer. I think that it's absolutely gorgeous, and it is one of my favorite bags. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this bag, you can go ahead and check out the links in the description bar. Of course, if you guys have any questions or any comments, you can leave those below. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.